Only 0.01% of LinkedIn creators ever become top voices, but every single one of them follows the same 5 rules. Miss even one, and you'll stay invisible. I'm a LinkedIn top voice, and today I'm revealing the exact blueprint so you can earn that badge too. Stay till the end, because I'll share the #1 mistake that kills your chances. Getting that blue badge isn't about luck or going viral. It's about strategy. LinkedIn looks for creators who add consistent value, spark real conversations, and inspire action. Here are the 5 rules every top voice follows. Rule 1. Be consistent. Post 2 to 3 times a week, and make sure every post shares insights from your real experiences. Rule 2. Be original. Stop copying trends. Your unique perspective is your superpower. Rule 3. Engage deeply. Don't just post and vanish. Reply to every comment and join conversations. Top voices are community builders. Rule 4. Add value. Ask yourself before posting, will someone learn or feel something from this? If not, skip it. Rule 5. Collaborate and get seen. Tag brands, fellow creators, and use meaningful hashtags. LinkedIn's editors notice when you're part of important discussions. And now, the biggest mistake that stops most people, posting for likes instead of impact. LinkedIn doesn't reward noise, it rewards value. You don't need millions of followers. You need authentic insights and consistent effort. Follow these 5 rules, and that blue badge could be yours next. Want me to share a full 30-day top voice content plan? Hit subscribe. It's coming next.